Hello my little darlings, I thought that I would do our little craft after our toddler time because you need just a little bit more help with this, okay? It's not too difficult, but you need mum and dad to give you a hand, okay? Right, so I, as you can see, have been making my Pirate Skittles. I made them out of the good old toilet rolls, and I'm now going to show you how you can make them, okay? You can have as many as 3 or 5 or as many as you like in order to play the Skittles game. You can play them indoors and you can play them outdoors, okay? So, this is what you're going to need. You need pegs. You need glue. I'm using a cotton tip in my glue because it's easier to work with. An old toilet roll. Now I have cut out all the sections I need, okay, but you will need scissors. You need this and you need this. Now there will be a photo that will follow on with this for you to see exactly what we need, alright? And you need a black marker and a pencil, okay? I don't need my scissors because I've cut them all out. On the picture you'll see there's like a black square like so, and this is to help you to cut out the pirate hat. Now I've decided to do it pink to go with everything else today, and all you do is basically draw around a circle, draw lines either side, and then we'll cut that out in a moment so you can see, okay? So if we get started then, shall we? Here we go. So first of all, what you're going to do is you are going to take your glue pot, okay, and then you will put the glue down one side. See how it is more under control with the cotton tip? Because I know I'm messy when I work with glue. And then you're going to put some glue down the other side, okay? Then you'll take your toilet roll and you're just going to catch it up on the edge like so, and then you roll it, okay, and then you hold it in place for a couple of seconds, okay. So I'll just let the pegs hold on to that for a minute while I cut out the hat for the pirate, okay. So it's quite simple. I just drew around something that was round, which makes it easy for me because I haven't got the straightest of eye. Okay, so all we need to do is this. You can do your pirate hat any colour you like. Okay, so I just need to trim that off. Trim that off. And there we are. That's all there is to it, okay? Right, so the next bit, pirates always need trousers, don't they? So here we go. Do the same again with the glue on either end. I put a bit too much on there, but there we are, we'll see. Now, the good thing about having a seam at the back, you can follow it all the way around when you're working on it. So you know that everything is going to work. Here we are, okay. We'll just let that sit for a little bit, okay. So, then pirates always have stripy tops, okay. So, what we'll do is, again, and just a little bit of glue on the edge of each strip, okay. Now you have to be careful that you don't get the stripes too high up or else you can't do their face, okay. This is a bit fidgety, this bit, but you get there in the end. we are. We'll do this one. Do that again. There we go. You can use kitchen rolls for this. I did that for a couple because I didn't have enough loo rolls. But as you can see now, so we've got trousers and we've got the t-shirt, okay? So, the next thing we've got to think about is the pirate's face, okay? So, what we'll do is, let me have a look at this one, okay? So we'll do something similar like that, okay? So, what I do to know that I've got it in the right place is I put the hat on first, okay, like so, and then I just do a little tiny marking as to where the hat will end, like that with a pencil, okay, and then, because I'm not as brave, I draw in pencil first, because I know that I never get it right first time, okay. Okay, so then you just fill in his features. That's his patch, because pirates always have patches, don't they? Okay, then what we've got to do is we've got to do a little smile, because pirates do smile sometimes, and then we'll do a little cheeky nose like that, okay. Then we'll put some freckles, or it could be stubble for his beard, okay. Right, now we're going to now put the hat on. Now, all you do with the hat is you just glue it just very gently along here. Not all of it, because you don't really want it all stick on the head. Okay. See if we've got that straight. There we are. Now, if you wanted to go one step further with this, okay, because you might think, oh, he looks a bit bald there. What you can do, if you wish, and I'll use this one because he's dry, you could put hair on him. So you could go, okay, like that. See? Okay. So, I'm now going to show you how I like to play the game. Right, there's my Skittles all set up. So each Skittle is worth 5 points, okay? So shall we see how many I can knock down? Okay, and because I'm playing indoors, I borrowed some stripy socks from Captain Hook. Okay, are we ready? Shall we see? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I only got 5 points. But I'll keep practicing and hopefully I'll get them all down. Enjoy your game. Till next time. Bye now.